Welcome to Vietlingo. Learn Vietnamese your way, your dialect. My name is Thanh Huyền, a Vietnamese teacher at Vietlingo. Do you know the difference between cá and khá or khi and ki? They might look similar, but the sound and the feeling are totally different. In this video, we will learn how to pronounce cơ or ca and khờ in Vietnamese the right way. You will hear how they sound, learn how your mouth should move, and practice real words and sentences to sound more natural and confident in Vietnamese. Now, let's start with the sound of cờ or ca. Cờ and ca make the same sound in Vietnamese. A clean, sharp cờ sound is like the cờ in the English word cat. Your tongue touches the back of your mouth right at the soft part behind your upper teeth, and you release the air quickly. There is no breezy sound after it. It's strong, short, and clear. Try it. Ga, 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 go, gu, ke, ki. That's the Vietnamese g or ga sound. Now for khờ. This one is different. It's a soft, breezy sound, but this time you let air flow out as you speak. It's not ga anymore. It's ga with air. Try putting your hand in front of your mouth. When you say ga, you shouldn't feel much air. But when you say ga, you feel a strong puff of air. That's how you know you're doing it right. Now let's practice both sounds for real words. For cờ and ca, một cá, hai kẹo, ba củ, bốn kéo, năm cô, sáu kẹp, bảy kênh. For khờ, we have một khó, hai khỏe, ba khách, bốn khăn, năm khung, sáu khói, bảy khóc, tám khoảng. Cờ and ca is a strong and short ca. Khờ is longer and breathier. You can almost hear the air sliding out. Let's see the difference. Cá, khá, kẹo, khéo, cô, khó. Did you hear it? The khờ sounds always come with that little breath. Now let's compare some minimal pairs where this difference completely changed the meaning. Cá mean fish, but khá mean quiet or rather. Cô mean miss a lady, while khó mean difficult. Cần mean to need, while khăn mean towers. Cây mean tree, but khay means tray. Let's say them slowly. Cá, khá, cô, khó, cần, khăn, cây, khay. Now faster. Cá, khá, cô, khó, cần, khăn, cây, khay. Remember, cờ and ca stop quickly. Khờ flows with breath. Let's move to full sentence so you can hear how these sound words in real speak. Một, khôi, không thích con cá. Hai, con cừu này to khủng khiếp. Ba, không có khó khăn gì. Bốn, cái Cây này có khá nhiều trái. 5. Khoảng cách không đáng kể. In each of these, focus on the beginning sound. The g and ga sounds stop cleanly, no air. The g sound would blow a gentle breeze each time. Try reading them again, slowly at first, then naturally faster. Alright, now it's time to test your ear and mouth. I'll say a word, you decide if it's g, ga, or g. Ready? 1. Cá. 2. Gá. 3. Kẹo. 4. Khó. 5. Cô. 6. Khỏe. 7. Khi. 8. Khói. If you got them all right, fantastic. If not, just replay and pay attention to how much air comes out. Remember, g and ga are sharp and clean. G is breezy and airy. So you know how to pronounce g and ga and g like a native Vietnamese speaker. Here's the key. G and ga, sharp, short, no air extra. G, longer, softer, and full of breath. The secret is in the air, literally. Put your hand in front of your mouth while practicing. If you feel the air, that's G. If you don't, that's G and ga. Practice the everyday using words like cá, khá, cô, khó, kẹo, khói. Soon, your pronunciation will be crystal clear and Vietnamese people will understand you. Thank you for watching. If you are learning Vietnamese pronunciation, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I'm Thanh Huyền from Vietlingo, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Cảm ơn, xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.